Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. And today is 2022 September the 8th. So now we are coming back into our Forex Trading Plan. Yes, nice to see all of you here. Guten Morgen, Hubert. Nice to see you. Wow, you guys are always there. That's early, all right. Hi, Bradley. Nice to see you. 168 Sawadee krab. And nice. Everyone, CK 你好. All right. Okay. Yeah, I love your training market. All right. Nice. Thank you so much. All right. That's nice. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. And I hope all these I hope all these can be good. Okay. You know, all these hopefully it can help you, okay, and everybody can be able to learn all these things and then started to get all these things in, right? Okay, and yep. And yep, I see. Me too. I got many profit from GU yesterday. Oh, really? Okay. That's nice. Congratulations, Bradley. All right. Okay, so yep. So let's come in. Okay. Every Forex trader, we need to have a structure. Okay. A structure as being a Forex trader. Like me, myself, okay. I will come in actually to do up the planning first. All right. And ask for your subscription. All right, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so that we can trade in the London session later on together, grab the profit together, discuss the trade together, and enjoy our life together. All right. Okay. All right. So yeah, I think yes, just keep it going. Okay. So yes. All right. So this is something that I'm going to start off with my planning here. All right. Okay. Yeah, and I shall start now. All right. Hi, car editor. All right, nice. Where is the picture? There is the picture, right? Well, in this later on in the session, you will see me. All right. Okay. Yes. Let's start off with our AUDCAD. AUDCAD. Okay. And then let's see what do we have. Hi, Maher. Nice to see you here, Maher. Where are you from? Where are you from? Very nice. Okay. Okay, so yes. Where? Okay, so yes. Okay, I see many chats over here. Very nice. Everyone is making friends together. That is so nice. Oh, you're from Turkey. Oh, I see. Okay, nice. I guess you are the first Turkish in my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming in. All right. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Right. I'm from Singapore. I will try my best to pronounce everybody's name correctly. All right. Okay. Yep. Yes, okay, yeah, car editor, great having here. We'll cue the like button. Thank you so much. Right, guys, yeah, do remember to smash the like button. And after my live session, do leave your comment below about how do you feel about my live, okay, right, my live streaming. All right, thank you so much, guys. Okay, what's the Mandarin channel? The Mandarin channel, yeah, it's the same thing. All right, the channel names. Oh, ACS Learning Hub _KH. All right. Okay. Yeah, a K and a H. All right. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So let's start off with our planning here. Okay. So normally when I start trading on Forex, okay, I need a plan. Okay. Then I will also need to plan out what are the currency pairs that I'm going to focus for the day, so that I won't be lost and I will be very focused to trade for those currency pairs that I pick up. Okay, so yeah, I will pick up some of the currency pairs now. All right, so let's hang on with that. All right. Okay, I don't understand Mandarin, but we'll come. Oh, no worries. Okay, okay. If I'm going to be in the channel, all right, my YouTube will also go live streaming, so you can go on both. All right. Okay, so Yes, nevertheless, okay, I can type it up for you. All right, let me type it up for you. All right, so that you will know. Okay, this is one of them. All right. Okay, so yep, thank you so much for your support, car edited. Yeah, all right. So let's start off with Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD. First of all, let's identify the trend. So in this case over here, we can see that the Aussie CAD trying to go into the bull, right? Yes, it did went into the bull for a moment, all right, for about a month. But after that, it started to retrace back and going to retest the support level once again. So in this case, once we can see that there's a downward trend over here, it's a sign that it's actually coming back to retest the support level. Okay, so at this moment, we can see the support level is actually over right here, which I plotted out, and it hits yesterday. It hits earlier on 4 hours ago because of the news, right? Then now it got rejected. All right. So yeah. So tentatively, I will be looking out for the resistance first. Okay, where is the resistance that I'm looking out for? Tentatively, it's a trading market, so I will place my resistance over at this point. All right. Okay, so let's wait for the resistance to be hit, then to be tested. Then we'll see if there's a chance for me to sell. I'm a seller, so I'm looking out for selling trade. Okay. Euro pound. All right, Maher. Okay, so I will come to Euro pound later on. Okay, so give me a little while. All right. Okay, so Aussie CAD, I will put this into my watch list just like yesterday. Yeah, we had successfully traded the selling. Yeah, that's good. Right. So Aussie franc, let's take a look. Aussie franc today. Yesterday was still in the bull, but today is actually coming down into the retesting mode as well. However, okay, we don't really have a lot of space because it had tested the support once again. It has taken out all the liquidity for selling, so tentatively I'm going to leave this out. All right. Okay, Aussie yen. How about Aussie yen? Well, Aussie yen at this point here, as we can see, Aussie yen, we have a buying signal, as a buying trend have been going for a bull, very bullish, I would say. But today seems like it started to have some retracement. Can I say that it's actually coming back for a selling immediately? No, I will not say that, because currently I will still take it as a pullback for a higher support. So at the moment, all right, at the moment, I'm going to skip Aussie yen for now. All right. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi, we are still in the bull. All right. So for now, Aussie Kiwi buyers can take note because we are on the support. So tentatively, this support over here, well, it seems like in the bull, meeting out with the support. Bull plus support equal long. Okay, so buying is possible. So buyer can take note. However, you have to be careful with the resistance over at this point here. All right, sorry, wrong. It should be here. Okay, it should be here. Okay, so over at this point here, yeah, we can see this point. There's one resistance over here. So you still have about a 38 pips of space to buy. All right, so for Aussie Kiwi, buyers can take note. Sellers stay away. All right, Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar, I guess is pretty obvious. Yes, that yesterday, okay, we have tested on the support and it got rejected up. So today it's actually coming back to retest because of the news impact once again, and it seems like it's coming back for a selling. Am I right? But first of all, the whole thing is still in the bear. But is the bear going to have a retracement today? I would say most likely it will. All right. So although it's in the bear, but don't sell it. When you are selling, you may find that it's very difficult. But you are talking, hey Eric, you are saying that this is a bear trend. Why are we not selling? It may be a bear trend, but it can also be a retracement in the bear. So please take note of this. Okay. All right. Okay, let's move on. Hi, Western. Nice to see you. Wow, that is early of you. Or should I say it's late now? Hi, Nike. Go. All right. Okay, let's. I will come to go later on as well. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So Euro Aussie. Okay. I will go through all the currency pairs on my MT4 so that later on we can pay attention to what you want to see. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. So over at this point here, all right, over at this point for Euro Aussie, yes, Euro Aussie is still on the bullish run. Okay, so tentatively we are looking for the moon. So tentatively, buyers, you can take note, but for sellers, stay away. Yes. Yesterday, yesterday we have one friends over in my YouTube channel here was talking about buying Euro Aussie. Yes, that was around this area when it started to retrace downwards. Okay. Yesterday was talking about this area. Okay, if you guys can still remember. So it actually retraced downwards. Okay. Then after that, it started to break above. When I say it break above, retest this area, then we start to buy. Yes, indeed, we have now achieved almost 120 pips. Well, almost 120. Okay. So yeah, that's a good buy. Yeah, congratulations. As a pretty, I think it's pretty. Yeah. And Basali, right? Okay. So yeah, that's a good one. But for today, same thing. It will still continue the buying. Wait for a pullback first. All right. So yeah, buyers can take note, but seller stay away. Right. So EURCAD in terms of the trend today. All right, we are now in the bear trend. As you can see, the chart is actually going downwards, very distinctive. Right. However, within the bear trend, okay, we have some retracement now. So we have trying to build a downward trend, but it has been rejected, and now we can see that it is back into the bull. So same thing, EURCAD, we are looking out for the bull at the moment. Okay, at the moment we are still looking out for the bull. All right, wait for it. Just wait for it for a little while to retest. Okay, to test into this level of resistance. Right, as you can see, for the past 16 hours, it has tested once and it got the rejection. So can we start selling now in this way? Well, it can be, okay, it can be, but we need to wait for a new cycle of selling, which I see there's a good space over here where I see it's about, well, it's about 72 pips. So EURCAD looks pretty good. Okay, so EURCAD, I would say that tentatively, by looking into EURCAD, selling is possible. However, I may want to look out for one resistance level before I start selling. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to put EURCAD into my watch list. Okay, EURCAD. All right. Then I'm going to EURPAUD. Right, EURPAUD. Right. So EURPAUD. Okay, Maher. Right. So it's for you over here. Yeah. Okay. EURPAUD. Tentatively, EURPAUD looking at the trend over here. Okay, so let me identify the trend. So the trend over here is actually reversing up to a bull. So tentatively for this bull, it's actually entering into one zone that I actually plotted here, whereby this zone, it can go either way. It can go for long, it can go for short. So at this point, right, I will stay away. For me, I will stay away. I will not try to buy, okay, neither selling, because it can go either way. Since that is the case, all right, I will choose to stay away for today. Very clear, very simple. All right. Yeah, it looks bullish, but actually the bull don't give you a lot of pips of space here. Then I will just stay away. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's move on. Euro yen. Well, Euro yen, we are still on the bull to the moon. So tentatively, we are on the bull to the moon. So buyers can take note, but however, I will advise that tentatively, let's hang on for a pullback to look out for a good support. Then you start buying. All right. So tentatively, yeah, Euro yen is going for a buy. So look out for support before you start buying. All right. Okay. So Euro Kiwi. For Euro Kiwi over here, very clear that we are actually now going onto the bull. So we are riding the bull, trying to break the resistance, and we are going for the moon. So tentatively for Euro Kiwi is still also going for the bull buying. So sellers stayed away. All right. Okay. So next, Euro dollar. Well, Euro dollar yesterday, okay, on the second half of the day, it has started to retrace upwards very strongly, as we can see. All right, with the slip off from the dollar yen. Okay, and Euro dollar actually take the advantage of it. So currently, yes, we are still trading below 1:1. All right. It still looks good that it will have a chance for selling. Well, I think that is pretty good, as we have plotted this area here yesterday during the London session. We can see that the support that I plotted here, it stopped here and sit on it and now starting to go for a buy. So after going for a buy right now, okay, I will say that tentatively, okay, tentatively for this session here, I'm going to take a look where will be the level that I'm going to see where it will actually have a chance for selling. Okay, so tentatively, I would say it's still in the bear. All right, as we can see, when I look at the trend, it's very easy. It's going to be a bear trend, but within the bear trend, is today. Will there be a day that is having a retracement? Okay, so let's take a look. Right, so at this point here, I will be putting out my resistance level. Okay, so this is my resistance level. For euro dollar, there may be a good chance for selling. Okay, hi Joshua, selling euro dollar now. I will say that tentatively, okay, I saw at 1.00081. Oh, that is a good price. Okay, then I will say that for now, euro dollar, okay, I will see that if I will give it some time, clear this area first, reach this resistance, then I will consider a selling. All right. So at the moment for euro dollar, I will be pointing my rifle on this euro dollar, but I will be a sniper on the tree waiting for the opportunity. Okay, so I'm waiting for it to reach this level before I start selling. Okay, right. So euro dollar, we have still a big gap there, about 40 pips. So just hang on with that. Hopefully it can go faster within the next hour. Then during the UK hour, it will start to sell off. Okay, that may be a chance there. Right, so yeah, we can take a look. Okay, so tentatively, yeah, I'm not going to put euro dollar into my watch list first. All right. Okay, so how about pound Aussie? Pound Aussie over here. Pound Aussie, yes, we are in the bear, but the bear today is having a retracement. So we can see from the support over here, higher support, building a higher support towards the resistance. So once again, now it is still testing on the same resistance level over here. Yesterday, pound Aussie, we were talking about it that we wanted to break the support, then we will start selling. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Pound Aussie, indeed, it breaks the support, it starts selling, and after that, it starts to retrace upwards from 74 pips, and now tested on the resistance, coming back again. Well, it's coming back again. Now this is interesting. Can I put the support over at this level here? Yes, I can. But in fact, there's another support. Okay, there's another support over in this area. Okay, there's another support in this area. If you can see carefully, this is actually one of the I would say that there's one level here. It seems like it's going to become a W. Okay, can you see there's a W? All right. So if you are going into a line chart, you can see a W here. So when I see there's a W here, can I see it has completed and started to going to swing down? Yes, maybe. All right. So that may be one level over here which I will want to take a look. When it breaks the level here, yes, I will take a short selling 73 pips of space potentially. All right. So pound Aussie, I will put this into my watch list. Okay. Yeah, pound Aussie. Yes. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look at pound Aussie here. All right. Okay. So next to go, AUDCAD. Well, AUDCAD. I guess AUDCAD is pretty good. All right. Well, you are most welcome, Joshua. All right. So for AUDCAD, we can see that it's a bear trend, very straightforward. Okay. Don't have to have too many technical analyses or reading too many fundamental. Just based on day one, just look at the chart, pull a crosshair. You don't even need a trend line. Okay. So it's very simple. It's just a downward trend. Okay. It's a downward trend, bear trend. But the next thing to go is that to identify, is this bear trend having a retracement or is still continuing selling? So yes, over here, it's very easy to see. In H4, the support remains the same, no change. So at this point of time, we are looking out for a 25 pips of selling. Well, 25 pips of selling, will there be a chance for selling? Yeah, there may be. Okay, so at the moment, if it is even may have a chance to even break the support over here to go even lower, correct? So we still have a 25 pips from current price to the body support here, then down all the way to there to test out the lows, which is about 82 pips. So at the moment, I will say that PAUCAD is still good for selling. However, we just need to find a correct entry so that we don't have to swing up for too much of a roller coaster. Okay, we don't have to enjoy the roller coaster ride. Okay, yes, next to go, PAU franc. Well, PAU franc, let's take a look. PAU franc, we are also in the bear. Very straightforward. So we are going to look out for selling. So when I'm looking out for selling, I will enter a selling trade on the resistance. So right now we are very near to the support. So does that mean that I cannot sell? I would say 60% you cannot sell. 70% you confirm cannot sell. All right. Until the time when it actually breaks the support level, which we are about 10 pips away. After that, when it breaks the support level, then we will assess the situation, whether we retest the support as a resistance to continue the selling, form a bearish trending market, then okay, we will go for that. All right. So tentatively, just leave this out first, okay, because I don't see anything good yet. All right. So now for PAU Yen. PAU Yen. Well, PAU Yen has been flying to the moon for a while, for the past 2 days, ever since our congratulations to our least trust. All right. And it's actually going very strong, but of course we know because yen is also getting very weak at that point of time. So the yen is going to recover today. All right. So since the news for Japan this morning is actually pretty good. All right. The economy is they have some plans for that. So I guess today, right, let's take a look at the trend first. Well, at the trend, as we can see, the whole trend is actually, is it a downward trend? Yes, it is a downward trend. So if we are having a trend line over here, right? So putting on the trend line over here, it seems like it has broke the trend line and it's actually going to be a buy. So tentatively, is it still a good point for us to sell or to buy for PAU Yen? Tentatively, by looking at this, of course, it looks like a buy. Okay, but for me, at this area here, okay, I won't be looking out for a buy, but instead I will be observing it, because for PAU Yen, it has reached to a level where it can go either way. It can also go for buy, it can also go for selling. So we need a further confirmation before I start selling. Usually I won't sell immediately after the rejections. There's a divergence over here. Okay, then over at this area here, yeah, definitely no. Okay, so I will be looking out for more confirmation before I actually go into selling. But I see that it's actually getting weaker and weaker for buying. All right, so it seems like the buyers at the bottom are slowly realizing their profit over at this area and going for a selling soon. So I will keep this under observation. All right. Okay, so PAU Kiwi. Let's go for PAU Kiwi. Well, PAU Kiwi, straightforward. Can we see over here? It went down, it's a bear. It went up, it's a bull. Now over, ranging, and now in this area coming back here. But unfortunately, it came back here to retest one area, retest the support here, and once again retest the area, but it's not breaking. So it seems like the consolidation of the buyer here, the buy orders here are very strong, and now pushing up for a buy. So for PAU Kiwi, I will be looking out for buying and selling. Okay, for now. All right. So at the moment, it seems like it's going to sell, but don't get trapped, because for this selling tentatively is looking out for a support, which is not a real selling. Okay. So PAU dollar. Let's take a look at PAU dollar. Well, yesterday for PAU dollar, okay, we have a very good buy. Okay, with so thank you CK from Malaysia who actually give us the idea. Okay, for this selling of PAU dollar. So we actually sold the PAU dollar from around this area and we are selling down. Okay, so some of us actually captured some. Okay, 10 pips, 20, or some of the 40 pips. After that, it started to escalate up, correct? Escalate up. Yeah. So the trending actually it trend upwards because I think UK has come up with a lot of money to ease off the energy bills, correct? So yeah, okay, yeah, and I think it actually helps so much. Okay, you actually get so much. Okay, from the news. Okay, from the planning, from list trust. Okay, so I think this is really very strong. Okay, yeah. Okay, so at this point, yeah, and this thing is actually at that point of time is actually escalating in the trending market form. So I think that is very nice. So today we already actually for pound dollar, will it still continue the buying? Okay, that is a very is a question. All right. Well, okay. So for pound dollar, tentatively we are still in the bear. Okay, it looks very nice. We are still in the bear. Once again, I'm going to give. This is a chat. Okay, we got a chat over in my community. Well, we are talking about will pound dollar facing the same fate as euro dollar, that it will go into 1:1 situation, right? Well, that topic have already started since July, where the price is about $1.44 until now $1.14. Okay, and seems like it has been down for a lot of pips, 2,000 over pips. It seems like this is crazy. Am I right? Okay, so this is something that many people are actually looking at. So is this still a good time for selling? I would say probably it is, but tentatively we have some economy boost. So give the pound dollar a breather. So let it go up further up first, and then we will see how it goes. As we can see, tentatively we are actually now on the resistance. We have a resistance here, and it hits on the one of the support area over at this level, and it started to retrace upwards. Okay, that's a support level over here. So for now, we are looking out for this that is actually going to buy further up, retest the resistance. Okay, and then we will start selling. Well, so pound dollar is something that we also need to put into our observation. Okay, before we start selling or buying. Okay, no, start selling. Buying is okay. Buying, I think tentatively is still good. Okay, so still having a good buying signal over here. So pound dollar, I would suggest a buy today. Okay, until the resistance here, you still have about 32 pips. Okay, we still have about 32 pips. All right, so yep, congratulations, Bradley, you got 65 pips yesterday. Wow, okay, that's good. I think this is the part, huh? Yeah. So let's move on to dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. Right, dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD over here, we can see that dollar CAD is actually testing into the level where I plotted out this area here. It can go either way. It started to sell down. So dollar CAD today, as in the whole of the trend, when we shrink down, we can see that this is actually a buying trend, correct? A buying trend. So at this moment, okay, at this moment, from my system over here, we have already started waiting for the buy. Okay, and until now it's still on the buy. So now today is still a good buy. Well, I'm going to see a selling because it actually tested on my area here. Right, so selling is possible. Okay, selling is possible. However, tentatively, it is still in a level of transition. Okay, it's still in a level of transition. It's still not really into the selling yet, but we are very close. Let's break this support first. Okay, after breaking this support, which is about an 18 pips. Okay, it's just an 18 pips. So after breaking that support, I will see a very good selling area here, about 110. Okay, so this is good. All right, so your dollar CAD, yes, we can put it into our watch list. Right, so after waiting for a few days, the dollar has been growing for so strong, and finally it's now taking a breather. So just right on that. Okay, well, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc over here that we can take a look. Dollar franc is a very clear cut for dollar franc. I'm not going to do this way just like a normal. Okay, because for dollar franc we can see is once it goes up, it goes up. Once it comes down, it comes down. Okay, so now it goes up. Now seems like it's coming down again. Well, so that's one. Okay, we have to pay attention. That's two. One to pay attention. Now it's coming into this area that I see there may be a good chance for selling down. All right. For dollar franc, okay, if I'm going to start selling, I'm going to break the support area over here because we are right on the support. So don't have to look out for any resistance now. As of now, I'll be paying attention more onto the breaking of this support. Once this support is broken, breaking down, I will have a very good space of about 73 pips, about a 73 pips. So at this point here, okay, by looking at this, currently from the support, I have about 73. So in that case, since there are so many pips down there waiting for me, I will pay attention to this, waiting for dollar franc to break the support level here, then I will start selling. Okay, all right. How are we going to start selling? We still need to assess that current situation basing on smaller time frame. So later on in the UK session, we will come into that. Okay, so dollar franc, yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Of course, there are people who will be asking me, hey, Eric, is this going to be a bull? Why are you looking for a selling? All right. So tentatively, it's yes, it's in the bull, but we are in the transition to become a bear. All right. So there will bound to have a point that it will start to become a bear, but it still look like a bull. So you have to identify that area. Okay. All right. So yeah, dollar yen. Well, dollar yen is still riding the bull. Very high up that we have ever hit the highs. Okay, we ever hit the highs of 144.984. So it's actually pretty high. Okay, so today is actually giving a breather. So I guess this breather is coming in almost 100 pips. Okay, almost there. So tentatively, okay, let's take a look. In that case, for this, okay, until now, right, it has almost about yeah, it's almost about 100 pips. Okay, so tentatively, am I still going to look out for a selling? For dollar yen, okay, this area here, straightforward to tell me that no, I'm not going for anything yet. It has no sign of selling. It has no sign of buying. Sorry, it still has sign of buying, but no sign of selling. So tentatively, I'm not going to do anything with that. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Isri. Hi. Right, GU for pound dollar today, okay, I'm actually looking into this buying, okay. In the whole general trend, GU is on selling, but today is going to be a retracement. So currently, I will be still on the buying side, okay. I will be tentatively, I'm waiting for GU to buy up, to meet up with my resistance first, then I will start selling, okay. If there's any changes during the UK session, okay, then later on London session, then we will see how it is going. Then we will take a look how it goes. All right. Okay. Yeah. And Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin over here. Right. Bitcoin. So as for Bitcoin, I think we are all I guess we are all very excited because it actually ever came down to about 17. So tentatively, Bitcoin is actually retracing upwards. A pullback for now is at 19,275. Okay, so 19,275, is that a good price over here at for now to actually to look out for selling? Oh no, sorry, a buying. I won't be buying right now, okay, because I still see that there is a price here that we can we still need to get it cleared. Okay, so tentatively, I'm still looking out for buying for. There will still be some buying first. Okay, then after that, it should be coming down for a selling. Okay, so let's check and confirm it. Okay, so yep. Okay, so I'm still waiting for some buying before it comes down for selling. Okay, all right. That is for Bitcoin. Okay, there will be some buying. There will still be some buying here. Okay, right. So yes, let's come into gold trading. Well, to answer the question, all right. And yep, I guess the gold. Okay, usually the gold I will leave it to the last one. Okay, all right. So for the gold, at high Nike. Okay, for the gold. Well, yesterday we are targeting at 1707. Yes, for buying since the price. Okay, so 17 from this price we are going for 1704. After that we are talking about 1707, the range here. All right, so it may be rejected from 1707. So still able to buy a little bit to match this. However, yesterday it actually broke off and it's actually tested into this area of resistance, right? Okay. So yep, looks like today are we going to like Western have said. All right, today as for this gold trading over here, seems like we are still in the structure. correct? We are still in the structure. So at this point here, how are we going to do it? How are we going to do with this structure over here? So we need to go down to a little bit, okay, to allow this gold to retest the resistance. Okay, so after retesting the resistance over here at the price of 1718, okay, 1718, then if it's not breaking out, then I will be considering that the selling will still be coming back. So in that case, all right, support has no change at 1704. So after that, when it started to retest this area, yep, I will still be looking out for selling into this area, 1704. And lastly, the final one, the last one will be at this level, okay, this level. So 1696 again, 1695, 1696, around that area. Okay, so it's still about here. All right, so but the first thing first is that I want to see a retesting of the resistance first. That means to say from 1715 now, we are going to retest the 1718. Okay, so yeah, we have about $3 to go. So tentatively, yeah, let's see how it goes first. Okay, yeah, the traffic is clean. Yes, downside. Yep, it's downside. Yes, it's in downside. Yep, for gold, it's still in the downside. All right. It's still in the downside, but I'm just waiting for the exact entry that we are looking out for selling for gold. Yep. But now is not the time to sell. All right. Hi David, nice to see you. We should look to sell gold. Yes. We are looking to sell the gold. Okay. I'm also looking out to sell the gold. But where am I going to sell the gold? All right. So the question is where. Okay, so yep, I will still be waiting for a little while more to see, okay, if there's a chance for me to sell the gold. Okay, but tentatively, I'm still looking out for selling to 1704 one level or 1696 another level. Okay, all right, so I'm still looking out for selling. Okay, yep. Okay, so I guess that's all for now. Yes, I'm going to flesh out what am I going to focus today. Yeah, okay, so let's take a look, guys. Okay, I hope this will help you. All right, so yeah, this is what I do whenever I'm going to trade during the day. All right, so this is one of my steps as a full-time trader over here. All right, and now let's take a look. AUDCAD, EURCAD, right? AUDCAD, EURCAD, and what do we have? Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Dollar CAD, and Dollar Franc. All right. So the banner below, well, you can take note. Okay. So yes, let's see. I'm in 1718. Oh, that's good. Okay, 1718. So I guess it's still good to continue the holding. All right. And yeah, Dollar Franc will go down. I think it's retesting the support, and after that it will break it. Okay, Dollar Franc. Yes. Exactly, correct, David. Okay, yeah. So now it's still testing. Okay, so it's still looking good to break it. Okay, so tentatively still have a sign of breaking the support, so we can wait for that. All right, you're most welcome at Hi Nike. Okay, so yep, guys. So I shall see you in the London session later on. Do remember to smash up the like button for me in this session and leave your comment after my live session here, so that I'll be very, very grateful to see all your comments here. All right. So yeah, so wish you good luck. Okay, and I shall see you in the London session, guys. So this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you later.